Yo, what's up, folks? Quasi Fulton here, and I want to break down to you something I see a lot with network marketing, especially if you're out there grinding a 9 to 5. I get it, you're busy, got work, family, life going on, and you're thinking, how the hell am I supposed to build my network marketing business on top of all that? Well, let me tell you, you don't need hours every day to make your moves. All you need is a solid 15, 20 minutes max to lock it in. Here's what you do. Carve out 15 minutes a day to connect with people on social media, hit up a few DMs, follow up with someone you talked to last week, and jump in on a few comments. Do this every day like clockwork, and you will start seeing that momentum build. It's not about having all day, it's about using your time you got. Stay consistent, show up, and watch your business level up. They'll come back for more. The grind is real, but if you stay focused and keep putting in those daily reps, your network marketing business is going to start working for you. Now, here's the deal. If you're watching this and you want to learn how you can use social media to make extra money while following a game-changing system, drop a save me in the comments and I'll reach out and show you exactly how it's done.